Hello, everyone, and welcome to part two of the agricultural and chemical sector. Uh, the ones I have on my list, I have four of them, and starting off is AGFS with a price of $1.85. PE is not available. Earnings per share is negative 0.65 cents. Market cap is 93.94 million. No dividend yield. 1 year trend looks kind of shaky. It looks almost as if it was sideways, but then it kind of trends up. So it almost kind of broke even. So I don't know. It's borderline to say that it's going up compared to going sideways. So for the most part, for me, it looks like it's going sideways. So the cash flow is negative 6 million. The debt is 58.5%, which is a negative aspect on my end. I have the final result, and it is not watch listed. Next up, actually, they're all not watch listed, as you can see right here and right there. And then, yeah, so they're all not watch listed. Just a heads up. Next up is BIOX. Price is $4.86. PE is not available, and that sucks. That doesn't look good. Not even for any company for that matter. It just doesn't look good if they don't. The less info, the worse a company looks. I mean, you rather be safe than sorry. It just doesn't look right when there's not enough info on a company, and it creates a lot of uncertainty, and then you just don't want to make a decision when you don't have enough info to make a decision on. So I might as well just either wait for more info later on or just don't even bother with it. And that's just exactly what I'm doing. I'm not even going to bother with, looking for more info on this stock and waiting for it. So once this information is posted, I'm not going to come back 6 months later to update you guys on this because it's a crappy stock anyway. So, yeah, there's no PE. The EPS, the earnings per share, is negative 63 cents. Market cap is 245.62 million. No dividend, which means no dividend yield as well. The 1 year trend, it started to go up like a roller coaster, then it kind of slightly went down, so it looks downward. Cash flow is negative 500K, so that's negative 500 million. Debt is 76.6%, which is a negative aspect on my end. So yeah, one thing I wanted to let you guys know is that these prices and all this info is from 2 days ago. So again, it's very accurate, but again, I'm just letting you know that these prices are not current prices. These prices are and maybe a few things here. The price and maybe the market cap might change, but everything else is pretty much the same, I would say. So yeah, the price and the market cap might change slightly. So again, they're only 2 days late. So again, it's still the same week, so it's not a big deal, not much of a difference. So I thought it was FYI for you guys. So next up was MOS. The price is $9.94, and the PE, no PE. This is not available. The earnings per share is negative 2.81, which sucks as well. Market cap is 376 billion. That could have been a typo. It could be million or billion. I'm not too sure. That number is right, but that don't sound right. Billion, I don't know. It just doesn't match. But again, that might be a typo. I might have put billion when I was supposed to put million. Maybe I was half asleep and I put that by accident. But 376 maybe billion or maybe million. So again, dividend is 20 cents. So the dividend yield is at 2%. Well, close to 2%. It's 2% and 0.04. That's a 4. That's why I shout out the numbers, because I know it might be a little sloppy, but yeah, that's actually a 4. So the 1-year trend, it looks like it's downward. Very easy to see on the 1-year trend. Cash flow is negative 1.1 million, which sucks. The debt is 51.5%. For me, that was borderline. It's above in the high 40s. So, I mean, I doubt that they get their debt down, but still, the cash flow is really weak. So, again, final result for this one is not watch listed. And, yeah, it's just all these companies, they're trash. But I'm going over it anyway. There has to be one or two stocks out there, but that's the whole point of it, to try to, do the process of elimination. And I know it is tedious work, to see like 500 stocks and then to go each and over, to go over each and every one. So I enjoy the challenge. So that's what I do for you guys, and I enjoy doing it. I like doing my homework, and this is something that I just enjoy doing. I love doing it, and it's something that I'm gonna do for a while, and I can see myself doing this for forever. So next up is the IcL. I have that at $2.92. The PE is at 7.87. EPS is negative. And they're not earning anything, so I don't know. Just with that alone, where they're not even paying a earnings per share, they're not even earning anything. That's a red flag. So I don't know why bother paying a dividend if they're not earning anything, unless you're taking out a loan or selling assets or doing something. You're earning money by giving away, or you're going in debt pretty much. You're just sacrificing nothing for something. So their market cap is 3.74 billion. Dividend is 18 cents. Dividend yield is 6.33. I don't know why. I know why. It just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, you'd rather go bankrupt than pay people out and whatever. I guess people want to get paid, right? 1-year trend looks downward. It's pretty easy, like I mentioned before in the last video. I have a feeling, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of companies with it's going to look sideways, and all of a sudden there's a sharp drop, or it's going to be around drop fast or slow. But again, I have a feeling I'm going to see this a lot, like a round curve heading down. So cash flow is negative 115K. So that will be negative 115,000. Debt is 55.7%, which is negative. It's a negative aspect. So this is number 7. This one goes with this. And number 8, not watch listed. So there you have it. This is the second part of the agricultural chemicals. There's going to be a few more parts to this. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.